Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover a workflow related to sending the emails based on specific tags. So let's hop into GHL and let's take the first step of adding new trigger. Okay, I'm going to add a trigger of contact added, contact tag, tag filter, tag added is workflow is uh, let's say YouTube. So after saving it, I would create an email action of sending an email and okay, so we need to add some details. This is an optional. You can leave it from email. This is also optional. If you have email setup behind the settings, the suffix is important. Let me say for purposes, and I can testing onions. I will save an action and I will publish this workflow and save the workflow. Now the next step in this workflow is that we have to add our tag to any contact. Now let's move into adding a contact tag. I will go into the contacts tab. Then okay, so the trigger was that I have the contact tag was added. So even though if some contact has the tag of YouTube, it won't be triggered in that workflow. The reason is that the contact was created with a YouTube tag previously than the workflow, and the workflow was created after the contact was given a tag. So if I add a tag right now to any of the contact, why it is not showing? Okay, so this is the contact. I have to add the tag here, and test center. Yes, I can search the tag here, Bluetooth, and here you go. I've added the tag. Dismiss. I want to do. Okay, let's move into the automations back again. I would search my workflow here. There is the workflow, and you can see the enrollment history was 1. So which means the contact was added in this workflow successfully. You may see the execution logs. So yeah, Mazakin was added to workflow, email action was executed successfully, and the action and the contact was removed. So yeah, that's from my side. If you have any questions, you may ask in the comment sections. And if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.